Hey guys, just a quick video today on your E85. When it comes to fall time, they start to change the blend a little bit, and as it cools off, you'll find that you're getting way closer to E70 than E85. So if your car's tuned to E85, you're gonna encounter a pretty rich condition. So I like to avoid having any E70 or any variant in my car. So I'm gonna show you real quick how to test with one of these little things to make sure that you're getting real E85 and not E70 or somewhere in between. All right, so this is a little tester I got. I think I got it on Amazon. I'm not sure. It's been a while. But you see right here where my thumb is, that's the water fill line. So you'll fill up the bottle with water up to that level, and then you'll see at the top there the gasoline fill line. So you fill the rest of it with a sample of your E85 and you shake it up, and when you do that, you'll see a really definitive line somewhere in this area. All right, so there you can see I've got the water fill line. I might be a hair high, but it's pretty close. Now we'll top the rest off with our E85 sample. All right, so I've got it topped up with E85. So now all you gotta do is shake it up and just let it sit for a few minutes, and it'll settle out. And like I said, make a real clear line as to where you're at. All right, so it's been settling out for a little bit. Looks like it's creeping its way down to 85. So I would expect it will still be E85 right now, but here in Kentucky, I don't know, a few more weeks and it's probably gonna start coming down. So when it's all said and done, it looks like we're a hair over E85. That could just be my measuring when I put the water or the ethanol in there, but it's pretty close and it's not dropped. So I'm gonna fill up my 55-gallon drum with this stuff so I have something for the rest of this year and in the early spring before they switch it back. So there, in a nutshell, you can go buy one of these little bottles and make sure your E85 is what you think it is. Like I said, it can mess with your tune if you start getting some E70. So hope that's helpful. If it is, like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.